welcome to today's video. Today's video we have
the same lip gloss.
we got the same on.
But I want the same lip gloss and like that lip gloss.
You do. It's this. It's this. I put the same.
But the same lip gloss.
Look, you know the video's already going, don't you? See that clock at the top? It says 32.
Okay.
Because they can see all this now. Okay, all right. See, look, I put it on me. And now turn right around and put it on you. Okay? Now, can we start the video now?
Yes.
Okay. So, hey guys.
Hi guys.
All right, we're recording.
Do you need anything from the grocery store?
Let's just put this one on hold.
Sorry, Ryan's texting me and he needs to know like now.
Okay, well hold on. Let's put a pin in it. Uh-oh. Can you hit stop?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hi guys. So we are doing makeup, guys, and
Hey.
guys.
Today
Today we are doing the makeup box.
Okay, enough sass. Okay, now let me do this part. Okay,
Do this
I'll
part.
let you show it off.
I'll let this show it off.
Yeah, and get over here and chill just a minute, little mama. Okay, because you're not in frame. Now you are. Step over here. Look, there we go. Look closer. So, I re-upped for Ipsy. I saw some spoilers, and I really liked what they had this month. So, I'm going to give them a try. Let's see if my choices were what I chose. So, let's see. Yeah. Let's see. Let me turn this way so you can fit. All right. There we go. Alrighty. Okay. Let's see. Yes, there we go. Here is my little mini-me. All right. Let's see.
This is what I wanted to put.
It says, okay, so this is the little insert. You guys have probably seen this a million times already, but you haven't seen it from me and Abby. So it says, BoxyCharm, spring into self-care. Okay, so Abby, pull one thing out at a time. Okay, so we got this palette, which, let's see, I think this is the Natasha Denona Hot Topic eyeshadow palette. It's okay. It's just letting me know it's 1:15 for me to drink water.
Why do you did that?
I was why did I make an alarm to drink water?
Yeah.
Because I'm old and have to be reminded of things.
Oh.
All right, let's see what this looks like. This one's an expensive palette, little mama.
Expensive palette, mama.
Oh. That's what that looks like. That's very cool tone. We're not
cool
touching
color.
this because I don't know about this one. But that's what that looks like. This looks suspiciously like the, what was it called? The mini something. I had a mini palette that looked like this. Very cool toned. It was such a mini one that it crumbled. So I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I've got to think about that. And then this is the, let's see, this is the CRT London BB cream. I did pay, I think, $3
London?
for.
You said London, my best friend?
No, I know London is your best friend. The name of this is called London. That's the name of it. But this is a little BB cream. So, little test.
Pick on me.
So, let's see what else. All right.
I'm going to pick it out for you.
Okay.
Not this.
Oh, I see.
I'm just looking at it.
We'll take everything out, and then we'll show it up. Is that everything in the box? It is. Okay, we'll put that over there for the time being. Okay. Let's see. Take there we go. So this is from Rare Beauty, and it is a
palette.
no. This is an eyeliner, and honestly, when I selected this, I think this was one of my choices. I was thinking I was getting a lip liner, but it's okay. Oh, actually, I might use it as a lip liner because the color.
Pick on
Yeah.
me. Pick on me.
Put it on you. I'll put it on your hand like I did mine.
Mm-mm.
I'm not putting it on your lips.
Mm.
But anyway, because I'd heard such wonderful things about the Rare Beauty
Is this lip gloss?
lip liners.
Is
No,
this
this
lip
is
gloss?
the next thing is the Tarte. This is their
Pick on me.
blush. No, I'm not putting any of this stuff on. You just chill for a little bit, baby. Okay, okay. So, and this is in the shade pink, just pink. But it's it looks like that. I'm not going to try any of this stuff on, but it's got the little tip applicator. Let's see. Let's put this back in the box. And then we got, what is this? This is the Context Lip Balm.
You got lip balms.
I know you do. And I'm trying to think, was this one that I added? I'll have to go back and look, but this is a lip balm. It's pink.
Can you pick it on me anywhere?
Later I will.
Mm.
This one, does it have a shade? Or is
Can
it just a
you?
lip balm? I think it's just a lip balm.
I'm standing
Or
up
Close
now.
to You is the name of it.
I'm
But it's just a
stand up
lip
now.
balm. One that I'll probably throw on my
Can I
purse.
sit down now?
You sure can, because you are heavy. And then the last thing is the What's Up Beauty. This is the Rose Hippity Matte Liquid Blush. This one's in the shade Oceana. I think that's how you say that, if I'm reading it right. And it looks like this. Very pretty. And same thing. Oh, I like this. This has the actual, see how it's got a little cover on it, the actual,
Can you work
that's
this?
so handy.
Can you work this?
I will when I'm finished with the video. Okay. So it's got that on it. So for the
It's not in there. Let me go check.
no, okay, for the for this box, I got,
It's hot in here.
let's see, I got the
Oh.
Natasha Denona palette. I
I
got
thought you was going, Mommy.
Rare Beauty eyeliner, lip liner. I got a What's Up Beauty liquid blush. I got a Tarte liquid blush. I got a Context lip balm. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 full size items, all brands that are well-known brands for $27 or $32. I don't remember. Very inexpensive. In terms of, I can go and tell you. I mean, this paid for it alone. So very satisfied with everything. I can't wait to do a try on of these things. Super excited about that. So that being said, we're going to close out this video. I got my little mama here. Or you want to show them before we end the video? Show them what you got in your little McDonald's Happy Meal. Come show them right here. She got a little. Look at this, so cute. It's Barbie.
Her, give me this too.
And it flips up and it's a little compact, y'all. Barbie. Little Barbie compact.
Look, I got this from Gaga. Gaga, give me this.
She likes playing with my phone cases. And this one, it went to my, it's actually to this phone I'm filming on.
My phone.
Excuse me, I know that. I'm very well aware of that.
Yeah, girl.
Okay, you want to show them your little makeup thing I got you for your birthday?
Where is it?
It's that one right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's one of your little presents. Well, come, you got to stand in front of this and show them. No, you got around here, baby. You got to come around here. It's pointed this way.
I got this from Gaga for my birthday.
Yes, and it had some little lip glosses in it.
Don't tell anyone. Just the camera.
Excuse me. You tell the camera then.
I have that lip gloss in there, and it's strawberry.
And it's strawberry. Okay. Well, we're gonna and tell them how old you turned.
I'm 6.
6.
I'm 6.
And you're telling that you just finished up your cheer. And
I just finished up my share.
And you're taking dance and
And
gymnastics.
I was in gymnastics
and dance.
And dance.
Yes. And look, you told me pretty earrings. Look at her little earrings that she got. All right. Now, we're going to end the video and we're going to tell them to make sure that they are subscribed to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel and bye-bye.
We got to say, always remember, be beautiful.
Always remember, beautiful.
And be kind.
And be kind.
And we'll see you in the next video.
And see you in the next videos.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.